right now is selling for $331,000. Are you willing to gamble a $500 to $1,000 inspection on a $330,000 investment? Hi, it's said that a sewer scope is kind of like a colonoscopy for your house. We're going to run a camera through the sewer line, and we're going to attempt to make it to the city main. If there's roots, breaks in the line, obstructions in the line, that all prevents us from being able to get to the city main, but that is what we're looking for. If there's a problem in your sewer line, we want to find it for you. Sewer repairs can go anywhere from a couple $100 upwards of $15,000 to $20,000. So just remember, always have that sewer scope done for your own peace of mind. Whether it's brand new construction that we have found sewer lines crushed in, to houses that are 100+ years old, you just never know what's there. Thank you.